Just like anything else, maintenance is key to keeping your off-grid comm system up and running. The Surecom analyzer, SWR meter, and watt meter will get the job done for you, especially in your smaller handy-talkie and mobile situations. Hello and welcome everyone. If you're again fresh off the wasteland, or maybe you're a current vault dweller, your presence here is welcome as always. Today we're going to be looking at the Surecom brand mini SWR analyzer and watt meter. This is great for your small handhelds and, depending on the power output, your mobile radios. Let's go ahead and crack it open. We'll see what's inside. So inside the box you get the mini instruction kit, give you the parameters, everything. You have the SWR meter and power and watt meter itself. Comes with two SMA female ends on it. Charging cord for the analyzer. It comes with I believe it is a 20 watt load, 50 ohm impedance dummy load. And it comes with several connectors. There's like a double SMA male, double SMA female, an SMA male to SMA female, and then an SMA, I believe it is male to a BNC female or a BNC male. So very convenient little kit, again, for mixing and matching all the sorts of connections you would need for your HTs and Mobile radios. So we're going to test this out on the Radtail radio over there. We're just going to do a basic power output measurement today. All right, now that we have it all connected, I know it looks like a bulky little contraption here, but the first thing we'll do is we'll turn on the radio. I've also done an unboxing on this radio right here. It'll be linked right up here in the corner if you want to go check that out as well. Then what we do is we power on the analyzer. And as you can see, right now it is on VSWR. I'm going to make sure to change that to be all outputs, VSWR, forward watt power, and reverse watt power here. Again, we have a dummy load on it, so we shouldn't get any reverse power. We should be only getting forward power. And we're going to start with the 444.775 here. These are both local repeaters near me. And if you can see up here in the corner, it says H. And again, take the light back up. Switch in between. There we go. So you see it's on H. So this is going to be on high power on both the 7 centimeter and the 2 meter bands. So we'll start with the 440. All we're going to do is power it up here, and we'll show you. As you see, no reverse power. SWR is 1.01 because of our dummy load. We're looking at about 4.4 watts forward. All right, now we'll switch over and we'll go to the 2 meter. That's going to be our main band we're working with now. We'll do the same thing. Just push the PTT and power it up. We are going to get 4.96, 4.99. Okay, we're getting at about 5 watts, which I believe it is a 5 watt rated handheld. That's good. We're getting full power on 2 meter. Okay, and that's just a quick example of how you would use the Surecom SW. This is the 33 plus model analyzer for your SWR and your power. You can hook up a antenna to this, of course, to check how the SWR is on. Either you want to double check your rubber ducts, or maybe you bought an off brand of a second type, maybe a longer whip. I have an Abri antenna I'll be doing a review on. It worked great up on a recent vacation in the mountains. I was able to hit a repeater about 22 miles from my location while I was in a valley. So great antenna. Again, I'll be doing a review on that later. So you can hook them up to this to test the SWR on your antennas, or maybe you have a homemade. But I do not remember what the power outage is you can push through this thing. Again, I know the dummy load is a 20 watt. I believe they said it can handle up to 100 watts. So you'll have to refer to the manual on that. And I can find that out, I will put it down in a pinned comment if I can find that. And turn it off, all we do is just hold the power button. It's off, and you can turn the radio off. There you have it. There you go, guys. A really simple, easy, and portable SWR analyzer and watt meter for your handhelds and your mobile radios. I suggest it. It's a great little investment. I think this one was around $40 or so. You can get it off Amazon. And I will try to find the name of the merchant that I got that one from particularly, but Surecom has quite a number of products out there. So, hope you enjoyed the review, guys. If you wouldn't mind, I would greatly appreciate it if you found it helpful to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up and leave any feedback that you would care to share with me. And until next time, guys, remember, always be getting ready. See you around.